This is so cool. And I've done a little bit of work with like small electronics like this, or electronics with smaller voltages, typically like, 0 volt to 5 volt. So I learned a little bit about this, and coming at it with a programmer mindset, it was really cool to see how a lot of this stuff works. Like I remember I was looking at it like from an electrical standpoint, and I was like, what is the point of this resistor? Like a 10,000 ohm resistor? That seems like, is it going to even do anything? And then like I remember learning the concept of pull up and pull down resistors. And then I don't even remember how, but it just clicked. I was like, oh my God, I'm like setting the default value. I'm literally like initializing it. Like when no other state is set, the pull up or the pull down is what will get used. And that way I can set a default of like 0 to 1. And then when I started working with relays, I realized like, oh, some of these things I need to pull them high, because when it loses power, then it can go into a weird state and it can cause things to actually flip that I didn't intend. So I had to start thinking about this stuff. So yeah, really cool. A lot of stuff that I've dealt with was 0 being 5 volts.